6 meters long and weighing 6,000 kilograms, it is the crucial element at the heart of the engine. Operating at full speed, the heavy crankshaft will rotate at a staggering 20 revolutions per second. For installation of the crankshaft, the engine has to be turned upside down. The fitters wheel the cage. Suspended from the overhead gantry, the huge shaft now moves towards the crankcase. Once again, every millimeter counts. Very slowly, 6 tons of high-grade metal are approaching the interior of the engine. If the component were to slew, irreparable damage would be caused.